Check in on Dominic at 4FRONT Customs this morning. Wow, got a beautiful El Camino in the shop. Boy, that is beautiful. Got it shining up over there. And what a nice ride. Whew. Boy, that is beautiful. Putting a shine to it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well, it looks like Dominic's been busy in here.
Trying to, brother, man. What's going on, James?
Not much, just checking in on you. Wow, looks like you've added some more parts to the Mach 1.
Yeah, man. I really don't like how this power steering line is so long, man. Look at that. We're going to send this off to a friend of ours and see if he can't shrink that down for us. Now,
got a new grill in?
New grill in,
wow.
yeah.
Wow, nice.
So I got to clean up the old parts of the old grill and put them in the little blaster over there, and then paint her up, make her look nice and pretty.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, man. Did you see the bracket that I made last time?
I don't know if we did or not.
Pretty good, man.
Trying to zoom in on it.
So we custom made this bracket out of the two existing brackets that came with the Cleveland, and we modified it so we can put the new AC in there. This AC system is called Old School. Is it Old School? Let me see. Let me make sure, man.
Looking nice.
Old Air products. Yeah, So everything inside the box is brand new. You know, and I'm gonna reroute the lines. I'm gonna try to hide everything. Or you see how I am. I'm really kind of really picky about how I like things to line up.
It looks nice.
Really clean. So it cleaned up pretty good.
Oh yeah, it looks good. And you got 4 cars in here now. I know she got a beautiful El Camino SS over here.
Oh yeah, man.
What are you gonna do to it?
This one's gonna get a digital dash.
Oh, a digital dash. Wow.
Look at the fishing poles in the back.
Yeah, you gotta have a fishing pole.
You gotta have fishing poles in the back of the El Camino, dog.
Digital dash.
Yeah.
That's gonna be nice.
Real nice, man. So that's it. My hands are dirty. I really don't want to touch it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, man.
That's
Real nice and clean.
Pretty car.
Oh yeah.
I haven't figured out what year model it is yet.
This is I'll have to look on the paperwork on this one. Where are the badges at on it?
Yeah, I didn't see one on it.
Didn't see one?
Nothing that told the year model. See if I can get a good close up of the grill. I'm sure any of our El Camino fans can look at the grill and tell us.
I'd say
I don't even want to guess because I'll be wrong. Beautiful car though.
oh yeah. Give me a second.
Okay. Look at the chrome on there. Really makes it pop.
was guessing right. It's a 1970, brother.
This is a 1970 El Camino SS.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
Let me introduce you guys to the new apprentice. This is Caden. Tell everybody hi, brother man.
Nice to meet y'all.
He don't have a lot to say.
You can be learning the ropes at 4FRONT.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
That's gonna be the protege right there, bro.
You got a good teacher here.
This.
You know, I try, man. I tell people, I was like, your team is as strong as its weakest link.
That's right.
So if I'm the weakest link, well, then we're pretty damn strong.
Dude, I just stopping in, checking in on you.
Yeah, man, we're just gonna keep, you know, chopping away at the old block.
Yeah, just kind of give little updates when we can.
Yeah. Probably gonna set the hood on right now and then get everything kind of mocked up. We're waiting for the expansion valve to come in, so I can finish out that, and then this whole front clip will be done. He ordered some floor liner for the inside, and ordered some new carpet, all
Cool.
button. And then I think he's going to be ordering some new seat covers. So
It'll be nice.
I think we'll just use the old foam and then just pull them covers over, make it look right. We'll see how that comes out.
Yeah. Well, it's looking good. Every time I come in here, it's
Getting
looking
better and
different.
better, huh?
Yeah, looking different every time I come in
Yeah,
here.
the next time you come in here, man, you're gonna see a whole different car in here.
Trying to show some of the details here. Awesome, dude.
Right on, brother, man.
Well, I just wanted to check in with you.
What else you got going on?
Working on some videos.
Right on, man. Always working. You're a hard-working dude, huh?
You are too, man.
I'm blessed, brother, man.
Me too.
I'm blessed.
All right, dude. We'll check in with you next time when you get something else done on it.
Right on. Champions, continue to help us grow and like and share the rock and classic cars. And make sure you tune into 4FRONT Customs and also support SuperTech and Alito, Willow Park area. Man, they're SuperTechs for a reason. Give us a shout back. We'll holler at you later. Thank you.
We'll see you next time, sir.
See you next time.